How's it going? It's Keith Edwards, your technical sales consultant here at Hylio, and I'm here with Wesley Slattery from Little Squirt in Kansas, in Dodge City, Kansas actually, and he's one of our newest dealers. And Wesley, I just wanted to ask you a couple questions. What made you want to be a Hylio dealer?
Well, I took almost 3/4 of a year to look at everything, and I've touched them all, flown them all, and when I came here, the software and the remote, it's made for more of a commercial farmer use rather than a play thing. And then the service and the local thing being here in the United States where I can get parts and get service, and I can call you and say I need help and you can get me to the right person, and it's just the service afterward is important.
Awesome. And I know you got your 2 Aries here going out today, and you also have 2 Atlases. What are your thoughts on the Atlas, and now that you've seen it fly and gotten a chance to spend some time with it here for dealer training, what are your thoughts?
Well, I did see it before, but it was up on a trailer at the Kansas City drone show, and it didn't look that big at that time. But when I saw it on the ground, it's like, wow, that is a monster. I think maybe I will use these for my demo because I don't want to scare anybody, but somebody that's going to use it for commercial application or a big farmer, that is the machine.
What has your experience been here at dealer training? I know we've spent the last couple of days here. How'd you like it?
The dealer training it's good. We covered things that need to be done, before first flight, and things, easy things to adjust and fix and check.
Feeling confident to get these out of the box and fly? And
yeah, I can get them out of the box and make them go, but I'll have to work with software more to. But there is videos, and there is printed material in a book to help you. If you get a different brand, that's you don't get that. So
absolutely. Awesome. Well, welcome to the Hylio Dealer Network, and we're looking forward to you getting these things home and flying and letting us know what you think.
Okay.